How to join a Zoom meeting without an account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Zoom application on your device, and here you can see the homepage of the Zoom application. So you can see the three options over here. One is join a meeting, sign up, and sign in. Now if you just have to tap on join a meeting, and you'll have the requirement of the meeting ID and the passcode that it will provide you. And you can also create an event over here by entering the email that you used to register. Go back and you can see that you need an account in order to have a join meeting or in order to join a meeting over here. So you can just tap on sign in, and as a tap on sign in, you can continue with Google, continue with Apple, Facebook, or SSO. So you can just tap and continue with Google for easy access, and then tap on any of the account that you want to link with your Zoom application over here, and then tap and continue. And as a tap and continue, you'll be able to log in and join a Zoom meeting over here. So you can see you cannot log in or join a Zoom meeting without an account. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.